Hi, welcome to Baby Adventure. Sometimes the throttle exceeds the recommended free play. That is, the throttle seems very loose and throttle engagement seems very laggy. In this video, we will learn what is throttle free play and how that can be adjusted accordingly, and what is the recommended throttle free play in Yezdi Adventure. First, let us see the existing throttle free play using a tape and marking on it for observation. The manual says it is 3 to 4 degree, the throttle free play. Now let's roll the throttle. Check the rise in RPM if engine started. If engine is not started, a slight notice in the engagement of throttle plate can be experienced, that is, spring tension increases. Now that we have observed the free play of the throttle, here we have two places for adjustment. One is fine adjustment near the handle on the throttle cable, and the second one is the main adjustment at the throttle body, a coarse adjustment, that is main adjustment of the throttle cable free play. First we have to do adjustment at the throttle body by loosening the nuts and setting the appropriate free play. Then only go to the fine adjustment on the throttle cable if necessary, which has a cable boot and lock nut. And that is how you adjust the free play of throttle cable in Yezdi Adventure. Always remember, there should be minimal free play for safe operation of throttle, which avoids accidental throttle operation. If you find the video useful, please like, share and subscribe for Baby Adventure channel for more informative videos about Yezdi Adventure. Thank you.